it is afternoon right here in Laos, and this is how the weather is like. Right here is Pakistan, big and small, in Vientiane. So you could come check it out in case you're looking for something you cannot find in other shopping centers or shopping areas. It's a great thing that they provide parking for motorbikes. Right now, I need to go all the way to a telecom company because my mobile phone has been disconnected. And I'm told I needed to register my phone. Unfortunately, I forgot to do that, and the shop where I bought the SIM card, they didn't really register me. They didn't bother registering, so I need to do that today. So as we do that, enjoy the street views of Vientiane. I want to be going to the reclining border, but yesterday I was a bit I think I should go there today. Yesterday I decided to take a break. Today I will go visit the reclining border, and also I think the market. I need to take a left turn from over here. Actually, this place is not far from Patusai, a Victory Monument. It's within the area. And if you've noticed over here, they drive on the right hand side of the road. I've lost my wallet. Now that's a real mess. I need to head back. I think I've lost my wallet. Damn. How did that even happen?